Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at Etrade. I'm actually at Power Etrade. So to give you guys some insight on how to do things here, it's an interesting application, so stay tuned. Okay, so I have this Cleveland Cliffs option. It's a covered call, and it's underwater. So I have 300 shares. You can see I have two covered calls. One of them's underwater. Well, actually, they're both underwater, but one's expiring this week. So I'm going to click on it. You can see it expires March 10th. It's at $19. It's down a little today, but still not enough. I'm still at risk for being executed. So what I'm going to do here, all I got to do in this Power Etrade application is hit roll. And boom, it takes me right to the next expiration, which is kind of cool. You don't have to do anything. But I think I want to go a little further out because this does not look favorable. So, no, it looks a little confusing at first. But here's the one we're going to sell. So we're going to take this out a little further. Let's look at the end of the month. And it's better. Still not ideal. Let's go to the April monthly expiration. Maybe we'll get better pricing, and it looks better. So you can see if we can get a little bit better pricing at the midpoint, 69 cents. All right, so if we can get that, that's acceptable. So let's preview, and hopefully by then, the vicissitudes of life or the stock itself is going to fluctuate, and hopefully it'll be below this limit, this covered call. But we'll see. All right, here's the details. Okay, I'm going to say send. Everything looks in order. So now I have an open order. I can view the open orders. So this Power Etrade application is interesting, okay? I like it better in some aspects, but other aspects, I really don't like it, okay? But you can see it's still open, so I'm going to need to modify it potentially. I could just leave it open and come back tomorrow. So let's go back here to the portfolio, and let's look at the positions we have. So Cleveland Cliffs. Okay, Ford, Intel, Sirius. Okay. So, oh yeah, there's the Verizon. I also have a call at 38, and it looks like it's not in danger at the moment. And I still have another week and a half till expiration. So, it's okay. I'm making money on that one. So, decent. Okay. Alright guys, anyway, this is a little bit of a preview here on the Power Etrade app. If you guys want to download it and use it, it's interesting. It's got some quirks. So just go check out my channel, search on Power Etrade, and you can see the few videos that I've made on it. It's different. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Be sure you guys subscribe and join the channel for my real-time stock trades. Thanks for watching.